Dear children, today I am going to teach lesson second in geography, natural resources, land, soil and water. First, I read important terms. Look at the page number 121. Important terms: conservation, wise use of resources, avoiding misuse and wastage. Petrogenesis, a long-term process of soil formation. Soil depression, in the fertility of soil created by certain crops grown again and again on the same plot of land. Deforestation, destruction of forest areas due to additional felling of trees. Hydrological cycle, the movement of water between various spheres of the earth from ocean, hydrosphere to atmosphere and from there to lithosphere and finally to the hydrosphere again. अर्थात जलचक्र, पानी सागरों से भाप बनना, भाप से बादल, बादल से पुनः आपका पानी बरसना और फिर पानी धरातल पर आकर के सागरों में मिल जाना, ये हाइड्रो साइकिल कहलाता है, हाइड्रोलॉजिकल साइकिल कहलाता है. Pollution, mixing of impurity in a water body that exceeds the permissible limits. Impurity, प्योरिटी और इम्प्योरिटी, अर्थात शुद्ध पदार्थ में जो प्योर हो, शुद्ध हो, क्लियरनेस हो, नेचुरल की जो बाई गिफ्ट बाई नेचर जो रियल में दिए गए हों, उनमें से कुछ ऐसे तत्व जो कि अपमार्जक हैं वो यदि मिल जाते हैं तो वह अपॉल्यूशन कहलाता है, वह इम्प्योरिटी हो जाता है. कोई पदार्थ जैसे दूध में पानी का मिलना, ये इम्प्योरिटी का परिचय है. जैसे गंगा के पानी में, वाटर में सीवर का मिलना, ये इम्प्योरिटी का प्रतीक है, ये पोल्यूशन का प्रतीक है. तो मिक्सिंग ऑफ इम्प्योरिटीज इन वाटर बॉडी दैट एग्जिस्ट इन परमिसेबल लिमिट्स. कंजर्वेशन, आपको पहले बता दिया, मिस यूज ऑफ वाइस यूज ऑफ रिसोर्सेज, अवॉइडिंग मिस यूज एंड वेस्टेज. कंजर्वेशन, ये भी कह सकते हैं मिस यूज ऑफ द मटेरियल, जो क्या है वेस्टेज, और वेस्टेज मटेरियल को हमें बचाना, सुरक्षित प्रोटेक्ट करना, वो आपका कंजर्वेशन करता है. दैट इज नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट प्रोवाइड टू अस लार्ज नंबर ऑफ रिसोर्सेज so as to fulfill and satisfy our needs कह सकते हैं, and wants. However, this distribution of resources in the world is highly uneven. Some resources, that is land, soil, water, vegetation, animals, etc., are available everywhere, while minerals and energy resources are concentrated in just some regions only. The development of natural resources depend on the needs and wants of the people of a region. Besides, the cultural value and the level of technological development of the people also affect the intensity of utilization of resources. Natural resources do not acquire value or meaning until they are utilized by man. Nature man and technology are the resource creating factors. For example, land is a natural resource which is highly useful and fundamental for agriculture. But unless man tills the land, sow the seed, fertilizes and land with the manure and fertilizers, irrigates it, sprays insecticide and pesticide and reaps the harvest, the land may not turn into a useful resource. The utility and development of resources also depend on the amount of capital involved in the production process. If the cost of production exists, the income from it, such resources may be uneconomical to exploit. For example, the Kolar gold mine in the India has become so deep that it has become unprofitable to exploit them. Further, hence, mining operations have been abandoned there. Similarly, sea and ocean abound in water resources, but their saline water is not useful for domestic and other uses. Desalination of oceanic water may be in minimizing the problem of scarcity of water in the certain countries, although such technology has been fully developed and it entails a huge amount of capital. We shall now examine the distribution and utilization of major types of natural resources as well as the impact of their development. Most of these resources may be used again and again with careful management, but waste and misuse can seriously threaten their supply in the future. Preservation and conservation of these resources are therefore necessary for their future use. Conservation means wise use of resources by avoiding misuse and wastage. Now, land resources next day. Thanks.